Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this update video. So I know it has been an extremely long time. I have never taken probably more than 2 weeks on a break, but if you saw my last update video, you knew that I had surgery and it all went well, but I needed to heal, and actually everything went perfect with the surgery. Healing took a little bit longer than I thought it would, but I eventually got there and I'm doing pretty good. What kind of threw everything off was my grandma was very unwell, and for the subscribers and the people who've watched a lot of my videos, you know I've been my grandma's caretaker for at least 5 years, and I took care of my grandpa as well before he passed away. And she was not good, and getting into the end of November, when I was still pretty much healing from my surgery, she started to go downhill very quickly. She passed away at the very beginning of December, and that just started a lot of work trying to take care of everything I needed to take care of. And basically I have been really unable to focus on doing videos and crafting, and for a long time I just didn't really feel like talking about crafting, so I took a lot longer time off. Even though most of the things have been taken care of after she passed away, I am in charge of her estate. And of course, I miss her terribly, and it's left a huge hole in my heart. I used to talk to my grandma at least once a day, if not twice. And when she was unwell, I would often go and see her multiple times in a day. So you could probably tell I was very, very involved with my grandma, and it's just been very difficult that she is not here any longer. So again, that's kind of why I've taken a lot longer to get back to taping videos and that. I did do a little bit of crafting here and there when I felt up to it, but right now I thought I would do this video. I have a call from Simon Says Stamp that will be coming out after, and from there I guess I will just take it a video at a time until I feel like I can get the flow going. So I thought I'd show and share this with you today. This is just a quick little vintage mini album I made over the last couple months at some point, and I don't actually even remember when I made it. But some of this papers I actually made, and I have done a lot of photoshopping. This paper that's on the front actually is an old Kaisercraft paper, and I really loved it so much, so I threw it on the front. I've done some sewing along the whole front. I've added this ribbon fiber here and this doily. I've made this title here, and I have layered it up a couple times. And when you go into this here, this is some of the papers that I have made, and I have a pocket full of a couple different mats, and you could always put other pictures in here. And then I've got another one of these words. This one says noteworthy. On this page I've kind of left it simple so that you could put a picture pretty much in the center here to take front and center with just a little bit of decoration. And then this will open up, and I've got this kind of unique basically style pocket where this pulls out here, and on this mat this has a place for you to write and a place to put your pictures, but it also opens up like this so you could add a lot more into that little pull out. I've just simply done a little bit of decoration here with another one of these doilies and another word, discover, as well as this little camera here. In this section here, these are pockets going up, and I have these little journaling tags that are within this pocket, and this word here is memory. Again, you can see the different Kaisercraft paper there with the clocks mixed in with some of the other papers. So these pull out, and these mats go all the way to the bottom here, which I really like, and they slide in and out really nice. I really like how this section has come together. In other albums I've tried to do like a pocket system like this. It didn't really work out as nice as this one, and I really like this one. So this just simply folds up like this, and it's not too thick, and I think with the amount of space in here you can still put a lot of pictures in here without it getting too thick. I think it is just the perfect size. And I probably will come out with another video of some other albums that I plan to make in the future. I made up a whole bunch of some of these papers, and I probably spent like, I don't know, $40 or $50 printing my own papers off. They've been sitting waiting for me to do something with them other than these. And I will probably put together a couple albums on camera so I can do some tutorials. But anyways, that's just my little update here. I hope everybody's doing good. I've been watching as there's been new subscribers basically coming in at the YouTube channel and my blog, and just want to thank everybody for kind of sticking with me while I've taken a break. Again, I hopefully will be back probably more consistently within the next month. It's very hard to sit down and plan a lot, but once I get back to the consistency, hopefully we'll be back to get the videos coming out kind of like I was doing before, at least once every 2 weeks, if not every week. So that is my little update video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, you can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.